happy new year. I hope everyone is well and happy and getting through this crazy time okay. I haven't been doing vlogs for a very long time, and I'm really sorry that I missed last Vlogmas. I wanted to start this year with a video, with an actual vlog, and just me talking and saying hello and how are you. If you are just joining me for the first time today, I'm probably not going to make much sense, but if you already know me, you already know that. So so yeah, this is actually just a really quick coming back kind of video, and I haven't really got that much to say, but yes, I will definitely be doing some more videos this year. I finally have time. B is at nursery 3 days a week, so I really want to devote some time to vlogging again and get back on my channel, do fabric hauls again. God, I haven't done one of those in a very long time, and some sewing plans so that I can finally actually make things, because I used to do my sewing plans video and then I would have a reason to have that done by the end of the month just to show you guys. And now I think no deadlines aren't very good for me, so I need that little impetus, because even when you don't have any time, you can always carve out a little bit more time if you need to. That's what I think anyway. Even if I have to stay up sewing till 1 AM, I would prefer to do that and make stuff again. So yeah, there I am again, making no sense, but basically I want to sew and do more videos this year, and I would love to know what you would want from my channel this year, and yeah, just to hear from you again, because it's been so long. And one thing I wanted to mention, is an elephant in my room, that's for sure. I don't know if this seems a bit odd for me to mention, but there's one kind of main personal reason why I haven't been doing videos as well, and that's because yeah, if you know, I've had cancer, recurring thyroid cancer, on and off for years, and I've had to have radioiodine treatment, which is like a radioactive pill that you swallow and sit in a hospital bed for a week, and because of it, it's really stained my teeth, and I do have really badly stained teeth now, and it's something that's making me really self-conscious and not wanting to show my face very much. But I realised the end of last year that actually I can't let that hold me back. I am going to get them sorted. I mean, they're going to be really expensive and I don't know how, but somehow I am going to get them sorted. But I'm not going to let it stop me putting out vlogs, because hopefully you can see past that, and I know that when I watch this back, that's probably all I'll see, and now I've drawn attention to it, which is probably a really bad idea, but I just had to say something, because I would prefer you to know why, as opposed to people going, oh, what's wrong with her teeth? So yeah, that was what I wanted to get out of the way, and now I've said that, then I feel free that I can just show you guys what I'm up to at the moment again, and hopefully get a lot more content out to you in 2022. So alright my dears, I will see you very soon. Lots of love. Take care. Bye! I just wanna